Hello children, today we are going to play a mathematical game through which you can predict a number chosen by your friend. Okay, here you can see the numbers up to 12 are given. Now, this game is to be played by two players, say player A and player B. Now, when player B chooses a number, player A has to predict a number. Now, how they are going to go about? Okay, so now player A and player B, what is their role and how they are going to count the numbers? Both have to follow the pattern and how they are going to go about. Say here, player B has chosen a number, so how he should count the numbers in mind. Remember that both the players have to count the numbers in mind. So now chosen number is by player B. How he has to count, that is if he has selected number 6, then as the player A taps his pointer on the numbers, say like this, tapping number 1 or 2 or 3 or any number, when he taps the number, player B should start counting. Okay, so how he has to do, that is if the number chosen is 6 and player A, when he points out certain number, he should start counting from the next number, that is 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. And as soon as player B reaches the counting up to 20, he should ask player A to stop. Okay, fine. Now, what is the role of player A? He has to predict a number chosen by player B. Now, how he has to do it, that is, he will ask player B to choose any of these numbers. Then, he should move or he should point out or he should tap the numbers, any random numbers like this. Okay, for how many times he should go on tapping the numbers, that is first 7 times randomly, and then after he should start counting from 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8 and so on. Okay, that is if player B has chosen a number 6, what is the role of player A? That is player A has to predict that player B has chosen 6. Now how he could do it? That is he has already instructed that as soon as player B reaches the counting up to 20, he should ask player A to stop. So at 20, he is going to stop A. Now it's turn of A to take up the charge. So for first 7 numbers, he may point out these numbers randomly. For how many times? For 7 times. And when player B has reached number 20, that will be the selected number of person B. Okay, so let's start. Now I will continue with the same thing, that is player B has chosen number 6. Okay, so now for the first 7 times randomly I will move my pen on any of the numbers and the person B has to start counting from the next number, that is 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay, so for the first 7 numbers, say I am pointing, say 1 here, then say here 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, 7 randomly I have marked the points. Now 6 player B has to start counting from 6. So he has to count like this: 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so his counting up to 13 is over. Now player A has to move to number 12 and he has to go in reverse order. That is, he has to move from 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and so on. Okay, now as soon as player A moves to point 12, his counting will be here 14, then 15, here it will be 16, then after 17 and 18 and 19, and see that here he reaches 20, which was the chosen number of player B. Thank you. Now children, we are going to see one more similar game to the previous one. Here you can see the numbers up to 8 are given. Okay, and here also we are going to predict the number chosen by the other player. Right? So now how you are going to do it? So here also we have player A and player B. Let us say that if I am playing with you, then I am player A, okay, and you are player B. And here you are going to choose a number and I should tell you which number is chosen by you. So now my instruction to you goes like this, that is, you will select any of these numbers and as I go on tapping the numbers, you have to start counting from the next number you have chosen. Okay, so if you have chosen 4, your counting should start from 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. And as soon as you reach 17, you will ask me to stop. Is it okay? At 17, when you reach your counting up to 17, you will ask me to stop. Now what I am going to do is, I will randomly tap on any 8 numbers. Okay, my strategy is that I am going to tap on first 8 numbers randomly, and when the person, that is when you reach your counting up to 17, I will tell you the predicted number. Okay, so let me start tapping the numbers. So here first 8 numbers randomly, and you are going to count from the next number you have chosen of. Okay, so randomly I just go on tapping the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and as soon as I reach number 9, I will move my pointer towards 8. My 9th tapping should be on number 8, and then I will move like this from 8, then 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. Okay, by that time the person is going to stop me, right? So here, suppose you have chosen a number 5. Okay, so for the first 8 numbers, your counting may go like this. That is 5 you have chosen. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, then after 14, 15, 16, 17, and this was your chosen number. At 17, you would have asked me to stop, which was your selected number. Now, I hope you understood how the strategy works. That is, in the first game, numbers up to 12 were given and you were asked to stop at number 20. Okay, the person was going to count from the next number, and as you know, that is, I had tapped 7 numbers randomly in the first game, right? So 12 plus 7, that is 19, and the person is going to stop me at starts counting from the next number, that is plus 1. You have to do it. So the 20th number will be the selected number, that is the predicted number of the person. In the second game also, you know that numbers up to 8 were given, and at 17th you were asked to stop, and what I did is, first 8 numbers I tapped randomly on any of the numbers, that is 8 plus 8 16, and plus 1, that is the next number, will be the predicted number. Okay. Similarly, you can make your games, your strategies, and play with the friends. Okay. Thank you.